Hello. The third question. It compares single regressor with multiple double dual regressors, two regressors case. And one of the key point here is many students seem like just memorizing this formula, but this is not correct for multiple regression. That's the point. Exactly, that's the mistake by Piyushi here. Starting from here, but he get to a very complicated algebra because the formula is wrong. If you have more than one regressor, covariance is a metric, so it's not well defined. So, so something is not going well, and of course, the algebra is very complicated, but for nothing. Um, so, and also another point here is usually our intuition is that the coefficient beta 1 captures the relationship between x1 and y. That is right, intuition is right, but mathematically it does not imply beta 1 equals to 0 means covariance is 0. So covariance and beta are different things because of the correlation between x1 and x2. So when x1 increases, x2 may be affected, and then x2 affects y. So we have to I wanted to tell you that first, this formula is not general, and second, it's not exact, so this may happen. And finally, I believe you learned it already, partition regression. So when you want to use this formula, if you really like this formula, then you have to memorize this, not this one, right? You have to use residual. You have to have a preliminary regression and take the residual from the preliminary regression and use that instead of the original regressor. That's the only way you apply this formula in multiple regression case. Otherwise, you have done well. So the answer is also clear. And again, in this case, you know what is the answer. I want you to focus more on just writing how to make your writing like easily readable and more logical. Okay, that's it. Thank you. And next video we'll have question 4.